Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Magic Eraser in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application and then select the photo what you wanna edit. So let's say this one. Then click at the edit. And if you have iOS, you need to go to the tools. And right here I have Magic Eraser. So click on it. If you have Android, you need to also select some photo. Then click Edit. And go to the Actions. And right here I have Magic Eraser. Then right here we have two modes, Erase and Camouflage. So if you use Erase, it will completely remove some object, and if you use Camouflage, it will blend the object with the background. And now you can just draw. So I select to erase, and now as you can see it removed this element. I can also use the camouflage, but I don't like it, especially for this photo. As you can see what it's doing, so not so bad, not so good. I mean, so if you don't like what you made, just click reset, or you can also just go back. And after you finish, so let me remove some objects, let's say this one, done, and save. So you can save it as a copy if you want to keep original in your Google Photos feed. Or you can click save and it will remove original photo and just save this one. So save copy, and we just did it, so we have two photos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.